In this era of AI, anyone can create their own 3D animation without the knowledge of animation and 3D. So today we will see how you can create animation movie in 3D with the help of AI. By the way, we can convert any video into 3D animation video as well. Plus, we can create a 3D animation character as well. So let's get started. So the first thing is you need to be on this website, which is Deep Motion. By the way, I will give its link in description as well. Okay. So you can see the interface of this website. Basically, this is the tool that we will use to create our animation video. Okay, let's go. So the first step is you need to sign up. It is very easy. You just need to give your first name, last name, your email address, and you can answer these questions, and then you can create your free account on it. Then it will show you this kind of interface. You just need to click on Animate 3D. And you just need to click on Get Started, and it will give you a tutorial of that. You can skip that as well because I'm here to guide you. So what we need to do is we need to create a 3D character as well. So just click on 3D models, and what we will do is we will click on sterilize avatars as well. It is giving us the three options like masculine, feminine, and don't specify. I will go with the masculine. And you can also upload your photo here as well. But what I'll do is I will click on continue without the photo because I'll choose, okay, let me just choose. I think so this one is good. Let me just click on this one. I mean, you can see it is giving us a very large amount of customizable options. So, okay, it is taking its time, it is loading. Okay, so you can see here is a character. Let me just move it. Okay, these are some faces as well. Okay, so it is something like that, or character looks like that. Okay, I can rotate it as well because it's 3D. Okay, so these are some options as well. The eyes and all that kind of stuff. Let me just do the eyes like brand. Okay, so this is our character. Okay, let me just cross. Okay, it is asking you to name the character. Let me just type Chris. Okay, I made a mistake. Chris, and let me just save this one. So once the 3D character is ready, you can see it is a character. You can just click on the create animation thing, and then it will give you two options like this is your character. Face tracking is supported, hand tracking is supported, GLB output is enabled as well. So what we need to do is we need to give it a sample clip so that it can replicate that as well. As I told you that we can create any scenario into the animation with the help of this AI tool. Okay, what we can do is we can give it as a clip so that it can replicate the same clip. Okay, what it is doing is it is analyzing the data given to it with the help of this clip. It will take the data and replicate that with the animation. Okay, what we will do is we will click on enable this one. Okay, once it's ready, what we need to do is we need to click on animation output physics filter. You can turn on the face tracking as well. You can turn on the hand tracking as well. And you can also turn on the upper body only as well. Okay, what we need to is click on video output. We need to click on enable MP4 output. We need to have a solid color background so that we can remove with the green screen. Okay. You can disable the shadow, you can enable MP4 audio if there is any, and you can choose the background color as green as well. And then you need to choose this camera mode as cinematic, and then it will be ready, and let's create it. Okay, it will give us this options. Okay, here we go. Let me just click on start job, and it will start to generate or AI animation video as well. So basically, this is the final output. You can see this character is moving. It is not perfect because it is in the beta variant, but here it will do the job. So you can click on the download, and let me just choose the format as MP4, and let's download this. As I told you, this is the final product. What you can do is you just need to add this footage to a video editor and then a background which suits as an environment, and then you can create a whole scenario around it, and you can also create your movies, your animated cartoons, your movies with the help of this tool. So by the way, this was the video for today. I really hope so you find this video helpful, and And I would like to thank you all because the support you are showing on this channel is amazing. By the way, if you haven't watched my video on the other AI video generators, you can watch that video on the channel in the video section. And if you haven't watched my video on free text to speech software or AI, you can watch that video as well. By the way, I have also made a video on AI tools. If you haven't watched that, you can watch that as well. And the next thing is, if you don't check my community tab regularly, then please make sure to do that, because that is very important, because I always post content in the community tab as well. I also ask for your suggestions and feedback over my content. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. See ya. Bye.